hits the top and then bounces back down. Alright, this is a 2017 Ford Fusion, and we have a window issue, which I will show you what happens. So we roll the window down, and it goes down. However, it doesn't go down all the way, and so when you bring it back up, it hits the top and then bounces back down. So I'm going to take off this door panel and we're going to figure out why it's doing that. I've tried the reprogram procedure and that didn't do anything, and I think it's because there's something inside the door panel, or the motor is not seated correctly with the regulator, but it won't go down. So I'm gonna try to figure that out. All right, stay tuned. What I did here is I've got the window all the way up, and I unhooked the window from these little clips here, and all you have to do is kind of pry it back a little bit. You can see that little hook there. That'll dislodge the window from the regulator, and then you kind of hold the window up and then roll the window down, and then it'll just, unhook from the regulator. And what I did next is T30s, and I took off the motor from the regulator, and what had happened was it was only going down. You saw at the very beginning of the window, or the video, that the window would stay up about a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch or so. And so after I took this motor off, I was able to physically just bring this all the way down. And so this part spun a little bit. I think it's going to give me the extra room that it needs. So what we'll do is, make sure both sides are all the way down. I'm going to put this motor back on, re-secure it, put it back in there, and then we'll hook it up and see what happens. But somehow it just got off track or something. I don't really know how it got off in the first place, but there's no teeth in there that are broken or stripped or anything, so I'm not sure what happened, but put it back together and we'll test it out. Alright, time to test it. So I got it all hooked back together. We're gonna go ahead and push it down, see what happens. And it's down, and let's go all the way up. There we go. So that fixed it. So somehow that motor just got off and wouldn't allow the regulator to go all the way down. The car expected it to go down all the way, and it didn't. It would only stop about 1 inch or 1/2 inch from the bottom, and so that was a starting point. So then when you went all the way up, it was hitting the top before it expected it to, and then it would just come back down. So that's the fix. If the reset procedure does not work, I would suggest you take off the door panel and realign the regulator all the way to the bottom, and then re-secure the motor, and that should fix your problem. Alright, I'm going to get the things put back together, and this is a job well done. This will be a happy customer because winter is setting in up here in Michigan, and so now we don't have a cracked window up here. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Put out more videos like this in the future. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.